there's the end result. You got rice and meat, green beans, all mixed together.
And French fried onions and roll. Yep, that's what it is.
Yep.
Oh, pretty good. Thick.
Yeah, it's gonna be good. If you want to make it, just throw in a pan, let it cook.
Easy.
Yep.
Yeah, you can do it. Yeah, you just do it on top of the stove, and
Yep.
you can add any kind of stew meat.
Yeah, we did pork stew meat. You can also use beef, or you can use mix of beef and pork.
Yeah.
You can use hamburger if you want to, I suppose.
Well, hamburger would be really good.
Yeah.
And the mushroom soup in there?
Yeah. If you don't like mushroom soup, you can use cream of celery, or there's other cream soups. Or you can also use cheese.
Okay, so we're going to eat this and see what we do. We're going to watch tonight what's on the TV. We'll watch Good Doctor.
Mm-hmm.
We'll watch Good Doctor, and that's it, I think.
Yeah, sure, I'll find something. Oh. It's pork.
Yeah. It's stew meat.
Yeah.
It's Tupper. It's called Tupper.
Yeah, this is our video. Just cook some meat.
Well, not really. But
Yeah.
there's going to be more to go in there.
Yeah. We're going to go over here, and we're going to have this rice.
Might add some mushroom soup to it.
Yep. One that shows it on the cupboard here. And got some cream mushroom soup. And maybe we'll throw something in there and see. Looks like we have a choice of green beans or green beans. Which one? Let's go in the middle
What do
there.
you think? What do you think?
Yeah, I got green beans.
Green beans?
So there's nice supper we got.
Or green beans?
Well, it's kind of like when we do the cutlets or the thin pork. Only we're using stew meat instead.
Yeah.
So it's basically already cut up for you.
Oh, look what I did today. This is what I've been doing.
Yeah, just get more earrings up on Poshmark.
These are all done. Well, except for these two here.
Okay.
And then I got these. So, and those two. I got these two to do. This one and this one.
Okay. Let's get your arms up. Yeah, there. Those are the two new ones I got from the sale yesterday.
Yeah.
Might as well put the other ones you haven't done in there so you can.
Yeah.
So
That one.
When you move the boxes, they go around the world.
And that one. And these are done.
Yeah. So if you want any of these ones, go to Poshmark. Look in our description, and you can see our Poshmark store. It's also earlier in the video, and you can buy some earrings. As usual, I did the video after everything. So do a thrift style. I got a pair of flip-flops going out here. They cost oh, what did they pay for those? 14? Yeah. We got 14 for a pair of reef flip-flops. They got the ball opener on the bottom. They were in one of our haul videos probably about 2 months ago. Piston sweatshirt. Got an offer for this morning for $11 plus $8 shipping, so I took it. And of course it's going in the bag for the shipping price for $8, which they paid. So after shipping and fees and our promoted listing, we're getting about $8. Not too bad. We had it for a little while. It's a basketball, which is kind of going in and out of the season right now. So that's what's going on right there. This is a Christmas ornament that I bought last year when Shopko had clearance of Christmas items.
Oh.
And I've been saving it all this time. It's Han Solo for Star Wars. I paid, I think it was like $1.10 for it. And it sold for $7.40 plus shipping. No, free shipping. So after the shipping, we got about $4 or $5. So not a big sale, but it's money. And the last item is Halo Anniversary. I played the game myself. I don't really care for Halo, so I'm selling them all. I do have some more still on our term code in 1970. We got $8 for that one, so not too bad. The most we got may not be exact, but it's pretty close. So I'm gonna head out after this mega snowstorm we had yesterday. We got about maybe an inch. So that's what they call a snowstorm these days. And then I'll get back to listing. I still got to list all the stuff I photographed. I got 2 folders full of pictures that I got to list yet. So I'll probably come back here and do that. We finished going through the jewelry. We got some more of that to photograph. And we'll see what else we do today. You probably know a whole lot. Right now I gotta go out and pay some bills, and then when I get back, I'll probably get back on there again.
Oh, hello everyone. This is John and Pam. We're back with another video. Hey, it's a pretty sunny day today. Good day to stay in the house, but it's very cold. Okay, so what we're doing is we're going through all this Poshmark jewelry. And if you want any of this jewelry, you can go on my Poshmark. We're relisting, revising, grouping, putting in lower price. So if you want any of these, you can check it out. I got many varieties here, as you can see.
Yeah, make a bundle.
Yeah, or make a bundle if you want to make a bundle of them. Just let you know what ones that you want. And some are new. There's a Green Bay Packer bracelet. Some are new, but different sizes, different shapes. Got necklaces. We got, this is pretty hideous.
I love it.
Yeah. Pretty hideous. But look at these earrings. These are so cute.
Yeah.
I like these.
There's some new ones over there too.
I like these ones. Okay.
We're always buying jewelry because we like to buy it, but we don't sell a lot.
Yeah.
So
and then I got these two pair right here. So these are, I'm going to have to picture these yet. These will have to go up there. So I'm just going to leave these here for right now until we,
don't want to confuse them with stuff that's listed.
Confuse, yeah, because these aren't listed yet. So these are really cute too. And then the makeup up, and here's makeup. And some cream. I think these are up on Poshmark. So if you want them, get them up there. If you want to get up there. So we're gonna
we're making sure we still have them all because some of them.
Yeah, some of them got accidentally sent.
Yeah, we were wrapping other things and they got stuck on the bags. So.
Yeah. Was it?
No.
No. I didn't see. Some are missing already.
Yeah, right. This is one that might be gone.
No. You got like
anything over there yet?
No, these are all the ones that we got done so far. They're
we just started.
But they might, we might put them in 2 or buy one get one free. So.
Yeah, right now we're just lowering the prices down. Pretty much any set is about $10 plus whatever they charge shipping. I think it's like 7 or 6. So, well, the lowest they've ever been. Oh, so 3. I'm not seeing the set though.
I wonder if we have any more somewhere.
That's what I was wondering, because it looks like we should.
Did you check up there on the?
These are the ones from the kitchen shelf. And,
okay.
The ones from the workbench.
I don't know if there's. Might be some maybe in there. I don't know. Maybe.
I don't know. I've scanned the entire table. I haven't seen this one set we're looking for.
Huh.
Look up. Maybe there's some with those books.
Yeah. So anyway, we're gonna keep on plucking at these here, and then if you want any of these earrings, we'll just make an offer.
I'll leave a message down below. Make an offer.
And even if you want 3 pair, Buy one, buy three. I'll give you one free.
This is all your soaps.
Huh.
Soaps and handbags and book covers and picture frames.
Okay. I wonder if they're in with my Poshmark stuff in that box, in that bin up there.
That's possible.
Well, we're gonna go look up there, and so we'll let you know what happens with this, and then we're gonna keep on looking around here because I think we got some missing here, so we're gonna get this done. Yeah, I wanted to do this for a long time because I know I just had the jewelry up there for. I got those are the pair right there. They're up there, and they can't find them. So we'll let you know. We'll come back and we'll let you know what happened.
Look on Poshmark. You can buy a pen for $15.
Yeah, right.
It's right there.
Uh-huh.
Anyway, here's what we got left now. I decided to keep one of the necklaces there.
Yeah, I'm trying to. Wait. Which way did this go? Like that? Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, it goes nice with my sweater.
There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah, those look good. But that's why we decided to continue to sell. We dropped all the prices down, really nothing over $10. So some are $7.
So if you want these, you can go on my Poshmark. I think it's
it's down below in the description.
Yeah. Okay.
And
then these are the ones I had to. These weren't up there.
Yeah. For some reason, these are the ones did not get photographed.
I don't understand why.
If they were photographed, for some reason, they're no longer listed. So, maybe better check the listing on Poshmark, make sure they're also there.
Well, good thing we did this. This is really something that had to be done.
Yeah, we've had a problem with some of the clothing not being still here after we sold it. So we decided to start going through some of the other stuff.
Yeah.
This took a little bit of time, but it was worth doing it.
No, so maybe...
Starts around 3. It's about 2 hours.
Yeah. So maybe we'll get some sales now.
Yeah. If you want to log on to Poshmark and buy Pam, she's right there. She actually has a sale going on up here. It's women's clothing and purses, home decor.
That's what I got. Purses, clutches, jewelry, women's clothes, men's clothes, shoes.
Yeah. If you can't find it down below, there's her closet.
Right.
So we have 2 accounts on Poshmark, but this is the only one we actually post on. The other one's back up.
And you want to see what's for supper?
Yeah, we're gonna go over to see what's here. Tell all the person is by how they get up. Oh.
I know. Oh.
How many noises they make when they get up.
My hands feel icky after handling the jewelry.
Yeah,
I'm gonna go wash your hands.
I'm just doing the photos.
Okay. See what we got here.
There's our oven.
I hope this didn't get cold. Oh!
Yeah, it still feels hot.
It's not cold. Let me put it in the oven. Want to put it back on?
No, let's take a look at it first. Carrots and potatoes, and there's pork ribs down there.
Yeah, and I put a little bit of barbecue sauce on them. So
that's what we're having tonight. So I can put it back in. If it don't feel cold enough.
Oh, we can microwave it.
Oh, it's hot.
Okay, so we're gonna eat these, and then we're gonna watch Walking Dead and eat some zombie brains.
Yeah, watch our shows and get fatter, and we'll see you all next time.